Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2011 government pass question. Question number 45. Question number 45 here says, in 1979, the non-aligned members states were dash. In 1979, the non-aligned member states were dash. It means that how many state members were part of the non-aligned policies. So that's what the question is saying. That was as at 1979. So option A says 37, B say 19, C say 21, D say 27. So as at 1979, the number of state members increased to 37. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.